You already know it's going down. Spark plug day. Alright guys, so you already know today we're going to be changing some spark plugs on this. What year is this? 2012 Wrx here. Nice little beauty. And I'm not too accustomed with these boxers, feel me? So this is a learning experience for me and Ice. Alright, so just took out the battery in order to be able to access the driver's side. Working on this, what is this called again?
It's the vacuum pump.
Vacuum pump, yeah. This big black thing right here. Trying to take that out. Taking that off. Because the two spark plugs on this side, you can't even see it, so I can't even show you, but they're basically in there. The battery being removed gives us all this space, and removing that will also give us more space in there. Alright. Oh yeah, got that taken out. It's pretty easy, it has one clip on it. Just undo the clip and you're able to move it out the way. Make even more room, and then whatever it was connected to, this little hose right here, there's one bolt on the bottom that connects, goes like right there, and it bolts up to a hole way down here. You probably can't even see it, but yeah, it just bolts up. There's one bolt holding this whole like piece. So you just kind of move it up and out of the way so you can get to the spark plugs. So we're going to leave it just right there. I'm pretty sure I have a flashlight somewhere. I could show better. I have a dim flashlight, bit. But yeah, you can see right there. There was a bolt in there. You just take it out of there. And then this whole plastic piece moves out the way, and then way down there you see that's one spark plug there, and then the other one right there, and it's one bolt holding in the coil packs for both of those spark plugs. And you just take off those bolts so you can get access to them. My man Ice here got a long extension to get in there. So yeah, we're gonna do that right now. Take off those bolts to take out the coil packs.
I don't think it's a 10 though. The one, that is it. Nah, this one looks fat. So. Nah.
Bro, why my flashlight so dim, bro?
It's probably a 12.
I don't get it. This thing has. I just replaced the batteries on this.
Put foo-foo batteries, boy.
Boy said he had to put it up on the snap.
What does this say? Miramar views.
I don't know what that is.
I'm gonna go with that though.
Alright, we got one out. We got one of the coil packs out. Best way to do this is basically, to take it out one at a time and then replace it and then put it back. That's the easiest way to do it, because it is a little more it's a little more challenging taking it out this way instead of like a regular like motors on the top. You just take them all out, put them all in at the same time, but it just makes it easier to do it one by one. Take one out, take one spark plug, and then put it back in. It makes it easier.
Spark plug I can't see.
Yeah, I can't even see the spark plug, so see how this contraption works.
Nah, it is too long a bit.
The one this one?
Yeah, because let me see. I somewhat have to go in right just like that. Feel me? So I think I could do it though.
You want to try using that one? The one on my toolbox?
I'm gonna try this one out first. Good thing I can get it. I can. Nah, yeah, it's too long because I'm hitting the spark plug right there.
Big. That's like right towards the end. That boy is looking like a mechanic right here, boy.
Okay. Alright. There you go.
You see him?
Nah.
No? Let me see.
Nah. It's the angle.
Yeah. Think you might need to go shorter than that? Or maybe. Let me see. Maybe I could try first getting this part on.
And then
attaching it, yeah. Alright, it's attached onto there.
Yeah, that seems a lot easier.
Alright. See if I can get it on there. Come on. Come on, baby. Oh, there we go. Alright, so we got one finally out. This is it. I feel focus. Alright, well you can kind of see that it's a little burnt. It's chilling though. But we got one. This one out. Yeah. Yep. Basically, when we couldn't use the swivel and this long extension, so we just took this smaller extension on the socket, put it in, got this ratchet, put it on the end, but it made space, loosened it up so we can do it by hand, and it finally came out. Now I just gotta put the new one in and then do that for the other three. And it took a mission a little bit for this one. Alright, working on that far back driver's side one. I got the coil pack out. You can see it behind this. Right there, that little gray thing in the middle of the screen. Got the coil pack out. Now I just gotta get the spark plug. While I'm doing that, Iceman over here is taking apart his intake so we can just get ready to do the other two on this side. Yeah, things seem to be moving pretty smoothly. Let's hope that's not a jinx though, boy. Hell no.
It's not a jinx. Why? It's right there. Damn, yo. That's not what I was expecting, dog. No, I'm gonna take it off, bro.
Second one we were doing now, like I said, probably the most difficult one to get is the second driver's side spark plug. We've been at this for about how long? Like 30 minutes now. Try to do this. The setup that we have with that long extension wasn't like letting us get to it, so we had to jerry rig another version just to break it loose with two 3/8, one small, one large 3/8 extension, and then an adapter to go from 3/8. What am I saying? Two half-inch adapters or extensions, a small one, a large one, and then a 1/2" to 3/8 adapter. There we go. I don't know why that was so hard to put out, but yeah, we broke it loose with that. And now we're just using the smaller ones because it's easy to turn those. And be prepared to take an L, like I did. Take an L right here. It's bound to happen. So just be prepared for it. You know, plan ahead. You gotta get your band-aid ready, because it's gonna happen. Oh boy. Basically the process so far, taking out the two driver side because they're the toughest ones to get, and then we're going to move on to getting the passenger side. The passenger side is a lot easier to get. a lot more space to work with on the passenger side. As you can see, all you really have to move are like those hoses. He took out the intake already. And right down here, you can literally see them. Well, you can't see them, but I can literally see them. You can get a flashlight actually. Right there. It's literally right there.
Swivel keeps getting
That's
caught.
1. That's 2. 1, 2. Right there.
How do we stop it?
Think that boy ice on or something?
I pray I'm not doing nothing, bro.
You felt it was tight and then it just started loosening up?
Yeah.
Yee! It fell down, but
Damn.
we got it. Yee! Oh boy, ice! Yo, show that boy ice!
Dog.
Yo!
This one's a
So that's the
son of a bitch. Or is this the son of a bitch? One of these.
one of these. Well, they're both a bad one. That's all we need to know.
Like they were building corrosion, bro.
So we're chilling. Finally got it. Alright, finally finished with that side. Took forever just to put the coil pack
It's the whole setup
back
we had.
in. Now we're over here. Oh, this is great. Alright, so we got one coil pack right there. That one's already out. Alright, Betty, he took it out of that hole right there, and then the other one's right there. So one there, one there. Now it's like get to work, take out these spark plugs, and finish up this job real quick.
It can't be.
What?
How it went in. Like it has to be, but it can't be. No. Nah, what the hell? Do I have to get it like perfectly over the spark plug? That's why.
Yeah, like the little hole has to like.
Fuck. Damn, dog. That's gonna be a hella hard one, bro. No,
That whip sound nice.
yeah, dude. No, bro. Wait, I think I'm on it.
Like once you get it in the hole, it should just line itself up onto the. No? It's crazy.
I need to do it with the shit, with the bolt. Pass me it. Oh wait. Don't pass me it. Don't pass me it.
No bolt.
Don't pass me it. Can't do that yet. Can't do that yet. I tighten it. I tighten this one. I won't be able to take out the next one.
You're right.
Can you take out the next one?
Yeah.
That's what I was having trouble with that whole time when you were putting that one back in. Like once we got this thing out.
I'm ready. And the Subi is alive again. Nighttime. I'm gonna have to end the video here. You can go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Dann, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out.